In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a knuckleball in Super Blox Soccer. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, what you're going to do is make sure that when you are actually kicking the ball, your power is at 91%. So once you do that and make sure your power is at 91%, you are going to power up and you're going to kick and then quickly jump at the same time. So I'm going to let go of my power and kick, and it's okay if it doesn't work on the first try. It does take a little bit of practice to actually be able to do this. So as you can see, it is taking a lot of practice, but all you have to do is just make sure your power is at 91%, kick it and jump, and it'll work eventually. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep trying, and it does take a little bit of practice, like I said. It honestly is just a big technique that you're going to need to learn, and what I like to do is actually let the ball get kicked and then quickly jump, and as you can see, the knuckleball works just a little bit. So you're going to make sure that you spawn a ball and make sure to practice this, and a good thing to try is actually to make sure your camera is a little bit lower like this, and you're going to kick and jump. See, as you can see, the knuckleball works a little bit. Now, if you were to not jump, this is what it would actually look like, and it would not be a knuckleball. Now, if you want to make it an actually better knuckleball, you're going to make sure that you are kind of on an angle like so, and you're going to kick it and jump. Now that one didn't work as well, but it is super easy once you get the hang of it. I haven't gotten the hang of it yet, but that is how you do a knuckleball. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.